How to get the width, height of an element in Photoshop. This is something I always wondered about but never really asked. Say I have a rectangle box, image or other element in Photoshop. When I make the desired element active and I check the info panel, the width, height never shows up, should it?
When you make a selection, that info panel should show the width, W, and height, H of the selection. It has to be the active selection, though. Note, if the active selection marching ants don't show up in the screen capture.
Press Command-T to transform the current layer. That will also show its width and height in the info panel, as per Robert's answer, but more convenient.
If you activate the transform tool on a layer, CMD+T or Ctrl+T, you'll see that in the top panel, the X/Y position is shown alongside the size, angle, etc. The size is in % by default, but right-clicking the field gives you a selection of measurements to pick from, pixels, in this case.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.